Life is a grand adventure, an open road waiting to be explored. It's a canvas, and each day is a brushstroke. In the vast tapestry of existence, we find both joy and challenge. It's up to us to embrace the journey, to savor every moment, and to remember that life's true value lies not in the destination, but in the experiences along the way. Motivation is the fuel that propels us forward on our life's journey. It's the unwavering belief that we can turn our dreams into reality. It's the fire within us that drives us to overcome obstacles and keep pushing when the road gets tough. With motivation as our guiding star, we become the architects of our own destiny. Traveling the world is like opening a book with endless pages of stories waiting to be written. It's the ultimate classroom where cultures become our teachers and landscapes become our textbooks. Every journey is a lesson in humility, a testament to the beauty of diversity, and a reminder that the world is vast, yet interconnected. A sports car is more than just a machine. It's a symbol of dreams fulfilled. It represents the sweet taste of success, the reward for relentless effort, and the realization that life can be both thrilling and luxurious. But as you sit behind the wheel, remember that the true joy comes not from the speedometer, but from the journey you've undertaken to own it. Financial freedom is the passport to a life unrestrained. It's the ability to pursue your passions, to explore the world, and experience the thrill of the open road, whether in a sports car or any mode of transport you desire. It's the liberation from the chains of financial worry, allowing you to write your own story and turn your dreams into destinations.